the second day that we're staying in Teras Danao, Situ Cileunca-Pengalengan, and follow us while we explore this area. Stay tuned.
They're like thermal tents, like maybe those green ones. The three ones there, the orange, that one, the orange one is my father. The tall one in the middle is all of mine, and that one is my cousin's, or let's just say friend. And that thing, look, that's like a river of rivers. I mean, like rivers of clouds. And there's another land like there, but they're purchased by another group. Okay, I'm gonna go say hi. They're there. They're making some soup. Mama! Hello, Ma! And this is some trees and some bird dancing or singing. Well, look at that. There's a fire up there. What you call it? Yes. Now, can you see it, guys? Yeah, it's right over there. This door thing, I don't know who just came. And this place is very freezing cold. Shouldn't have put a carpet or something. Like, where's my father? Oh, there. Father! Papa! Hello! He's waving his hand. And there. Oh, my father told me to come down. Okay, let's go down. Okay, so let's go down there. That's where I vlogged it. Okay, then my family's cooking. I'm gonna hand this to my father first. Father, can you hold this for us?
Yes.
I have to use my phone.
Okay. Wow. See that fog?
Hey, Father, so people can do it. Where are we swimming?
Yeah.
We're not swimming here.
No, we can't swim, honey. Unless you use what's that? That's floating stuff.
But I thought Mama said that we could swim.
Yes, you can, but I use just the floating stuff. Oh, see that? Wow, itu ada yang canoeing. Somebody is doing canoeing over there. Can you see that?
I didn't know that. It just went here.
Oh, okay.
And this is my Aju. We call her Tiffany.
What do we call her, Ajo?
Oh, yeah.
This is Tiffany.
But her real name is Tiffany, okay? And then we're cutting some cabbage, whatever this is. What is this, dude?
Cabbage. Iya nggak sih?
Oh, no, I think.
Biasa.
And my sister's
I
cutting.
didn't memorize veggies.
And Jessie is cutting. Oopsie, Kaka Jessie is cutting some. Not cutting, like peeling some eggs. Yeah. It's boiled, you know. It's yummy.
I feel
And
I
there's
feel like
water, I guess. Is
I can't even feel like.
still cooking with fire. And this is my friends. This is. They has like 4 chairs, but we only have like cooking sessions. This is my father's tent. It looks so cool. There's some windows in there. I don't know what it's used for. And there's this small thing so you can just watch the pretty sunset even though it's raining. As you see, last night did it rain?
No.
Oh, that mean it was.
Just from the fog.
Oh yeah, fog are from clouds, right? Oh my God, and last night, my father couldn't vlog me because he was asleep too, but it was so very cold in here. And we don't mention, but that your phone is very cold like ice, guys. Yeah, my eyes was like, whoa. She tried to hold it, but she can't because it's so cold.
It's like actually like what's that?
A river.
Hot water, right?
Yeah.
But it's not hot water. It's cold. See that? See that? It's going up there. It's moving up. You see that?
Pa, hold it. I want to see.
Hmm.
Oh, look at the fog. Look at the fog.
I close it, yeah.
See you at party or when everyone's awake, guys.
Bye.
Okay, guys, so look at the fog. Last night was so foggy in here, so there were like some fog left, and they're gonna rise and go there, I think.
Oh my God.
Look at that! There's someone here.
Let's see here, closer.
It's cool, you know.
Wow.
It's cool.
It's not hot, right?
No, it's not.
It's like hot.
It's like the Sumapur tree, but it's just that Sumapur tree rises, not like goes.
So, you see that, honey? That side is the sunrise. So it's, you see that? The sun is about to rise very
Oh, I know
slow, right?
The cloud's gonna begin to rise
Yes. Yeah. See?
So that means when we slept last night,
Yeah.
the fog like came over us.
Yeah.
It was so cold up there.
That's very good.
Also, guys,
Geser dong, geser dong.
my comfortable sock that was very hot in the first time got soaked wet. Yes, certainly it got soaked wet. Pagi-pagi suka banyak ikan.
Kentut ya?
Tapi ngentut.
Tuh yang di atas. Ini anak siapa?
Jangan jatuh terus habis. Tapi jatuh lagi pangandaran.
Precious. Pegangan. Ada hantaman. Betul. Tuh. Sok. Sok mangga.
boat, of course. Across the lake, there's this Arben.
Arben? It's not Arben. Arbe.
Let's just call it Arben for now.
Oh, Arben. Kebun Arben. Oh, sorry. I was wrong. Okay.
And 5,000, I mean. 5,000
Yeah.
for one people.
Mhm.
Let's go.
Apa? Bere-bere.
If you like it, you can just plus 10,000,
Mhm.
and you will get the candle and you can pick all of them.
Yeah, a bucket, a small bucket, right?
This look like raspberry.
Mhm.
Manis kok.
Yang besar katanya bang, pilihnya.
Ow.
Oke guys, hello guys.
Hello guys.
Ayo lagi, mana guys? Mana guys?
Ini guys, ini namanya Arbery guys.
Bukan Arberi, Arben.
Salah lagi udah.
Oh salah ya. Precious, Arbe kan?
It's our band.
Arben benar dong berarti kalau gitu.
Indonesianya.
Oh,
Very kan?
Bere-bere.
iya.
don't understand.
Nih. Ya nih. Ya.
Yuk. But inside
What?
of the R band, I don't know whatever. Comment down below. Is nothing. There's nothing.
What? Let's show me.
See,
Open
when
it.
you open it.
Uh-huh.
There's only these yellow stuff. I don't know. There's only
There.
Eat now.
This
How is
a
it?
strawberry but sweeter version.
sweet.
It's sweet.
It's like strawberry but smaller and kind of sweeter.
Mhm.
The bigger the fruit is, the sweeter it is.
Okay. So you need to find the bigger one then,
Yeah,
yeah?
unless you like sour taste, you can
Okay.
choose the small ones.
All
Be
right.
careful, there are worms in here.
There's no worms here.
I found a worm in one of them.
Nah, Cok, tunjukin, Precious. Wait, let me see.
Aku baru pertama kali lo makan buah ini, Pak.
Me too.
Me too. It's first time for me.
So yummy.
Oh, ini gede banget, precious.
Wow.
Jangan sampai ya.
Aku mau finish picking fruits.
Arben.
Then, oh my God, I don't know.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Os.
Oh, ini lebih soft. Santuy.
Let's go. Ayo bang. Jess, what is this?
Let's go see some oranges. Oh, look at that.
Oh my god. Yeah. Udah hebat kali kalau kalian bisa makan sekilo.
Dek, nih, coba.
Bawa apa itu?
Wangi banget ininya.
Iya. Apa pestisida? Oh,
Mana yang atas tuh besar.
ini tomat ya saya?
Tomat dan jeruk.
Itu ada tuh yellow part tuh, the yellow one honey. Itu that's yellow, that yellow one. Ada itu enggak?
And it's good vitamin C, remember? Vitaminnya aja diambil.
Oh. Susah, yang kuning-kuning malah di atas ya. Tengah.
Iya, Messi. Makan.
Whoo.
So
What?
guys, we just ate some more jerooks. Oh my god.
Orange ah.
Yeah, let's just say orange. It was so good and sweet. And how dare you underestimate?
Messi, ini enak loh.
Okay. So I think we're going somewhere. Where are we going?
I don't know.
I think we're going.
We go back to the boat, yes.
But this is kind of long walk, maybe
Okay.
a half walk.
Okay.
So meet you guys at the boat.
Yep.
I'm going crazy now. I have full vitamin C. It's just like I want to slide over here.
Okay, just slide. Hati-hati, Yang. Ah, itu dia. Oke. Bang. Wih, di mana ini? Ini ya? Oh, ini bendungannya.
Indahnya pemandangan. Aku mau bilang indahnya.
Jangan lari koi, jangan lari bro. Awas minggir, kiri. Awas koi, tuh. Precious. What is this, Precious?
Okay, guys, so we call this the Jembatan Cinta or the Love Bridge.
The Bridge of Love.
The Bridge of Love.
Okay, good.
And I know it's not beautiful.
It is beautiful. What you mean it's not beautiful?
So the Bridge of Love is called the Bridge of Love because
A lot of people dating there. If you can see, there's already a couple in there.
Oh, okay.
But this is also alternative for motorcycle. So there'll be a motorcycle.
Okay.
I don't wanna fall.
Alright.
This is
What?
a long bridge. It's more longer than that.
Ah.
Here, we kind of have to be careful because some part of the bridge has no handrails. Most of them are already.
This one is already shaky, you know.
Yeah, this one's already shaking.
Look at that. That already falls.
Yeah, some of them already fall.
All right, guys.
Guys, meet you at
People.
the tent.
Goodbye, everyone.
Burning marshmallows.
Let's go, guys. Aku berdiri di tempat yang lebih tinggi. Haya mulia Tuhan, oh di tempat yang tinggi itu Tuhan, angkatlah jiwaku lebih dekat kepadamu. Biarlah aku berdiri di tempat yang tinggi. Guys, what is that?
What?
Burn.
That's not marshmallow. That's not marshmallow. I don't want to eat.
Kenapa?
Oh my god.
One,
Harus di burn ya?
3,
That's
4.
yummy, you know, if it burned. Udah.
Ya gosong.
Emang kayak gitu kah harus gosong? Ya guys, you have to.
Show me, Precious.
To be honest, guys, this is not the type of marshmallow that you should burn.
It's a white one.
I mean, yeah, the one that you should burn is like a white one, and then round, and I forgot the rest.
Emang harus begitu makannya kah?
We just wanted
Kok hanya gini
father.
doang baru dimakan langsung?
Iya.
Serius kalian? Udah matang itu?
Udah matang.
Enggak mesti dibakar, sebenarnya bisa
Dimakan gitu aja bisa. Cuman kenapa harus dibakar? Emang
Sorry.
No, I don't want. I don't want, honey. Stop it. I'm full. No, aduh, sorry. No. Enak.
Kucing ngapain?
Coba tes.
Tuh, kasih. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Siapa?
Look at my little sister. Wait, where is my little sister? Oh, there she is. Wait, she's blocked. Hello guys, I know you can't see me. Wait, can you see me? I don't know. Okay. So my father said I have to shoot. You know, my father, that guy over there. I don't know if you can see him clearly. So I'm just gonna shoot and interview everyone. We'll start from Kakak Nadine. Kakak Nadine, say hi. Oh, she's shy. Kakak Nadine is like the oldest child in here. And this is Mikaela. Say hi, Mikaela.
Hello.
She is Kakak Nadine's little sister, the youngest. Now, you already know Precious. You already know Chloe. There you are. And now this is Judith and her mother. Say hi. Say hi, guys.
Hi
And there's a bonfire over there, and we're not invited to that bonfire stuff. And y'all know my father. Father? Oi, I don't know those two guys over there. Father, say hi. Say hi. Who cares? I love portrait. And that is Judith's father over there. Oh, and this is Messi. Say hi, Messi. Oh, Chloe. And this is Tanta. Oh, Tanta. They're like obsessed with, huh? Oh, okay. Say cheese. Okay. Yeah.
Let me see. Coba lihat.